Hi guys, it's Janek from Elympics. Elympics just got a new update, and since version 0.5, it comes with a new tool for debugging your game. Today I will show you how to use it based on a simple example. Let's say you've encountered the following problem. You wrote a script for your game responsible for moving your character. It moves on the client instance, but for some reason its position keeps getting reset. We go to the server instance and see that indeed the player doesn't move. This could happen on other synchronized values, but for the sake of visibility, we will focus on the object's position. All of the synchronizers seem to be in place, and there is correct prediction used for the player object. All of the values in the script are set correctly, and there doesn't seem to be any logical error that could cause this. Let's use our tool to fix it. On the server instance, we click Tools, Elympics, Network Simulation Analyzer. We press Play button and recreate the bug in the game. With the tool open, you will notice that a lot of values started appearing on the left. These are the records of values synchronized by our program in each tick of the simulation. If we click any tick number, we will see detailed information about it. You can switch between them using either mouse or the up and down arrow keys. We can pause the game using the Tools button. At the top, we see the execution time, which tells us how long it took the server to simulate the given tick. It's an important value to look for in case of our game struggling on the server, and if it gets too high, you will notice the change in the color of the dot next to the tick number. Let's skip the processed input for now and focus on the section below, synchronized state. The byte value next to it tells you how big the synchronized state of your game is in total. Below you will see a detailed list of all of the synchronized components and variables, along with their size and values in the given tick. If your game seems to be lagging on the client side, it may be caused by attempting to receive and synchronize too much data. However, the size of the synchronized state isn't the only data we can derive by analyzing these values. By switching between the ticks, we can observe how the given value changes during the simulation of our game. This confirms our observation that the player's synchronized position doesn't change at all, so we have to look at the last section, the processed input. The values next to the given client tell us how many bytes of data we've received from them for this tick, and if we've received any at all. As you can see, our player's input isn't marked as missing, so there were no network errors. But the size of the data we have received is equal to 0. We go to the part of our code responsible for movement and see that in the Elympics update, we are trying to set the position directly from the input gathered on the device instead of sending it to the server via the input handler. We fix this mistake and, as you can see, the game starts working properly. After the fix, we can check the tool again and see that the size of our input is now equal to 1 and the transform values change accordingly. Once you create a more complicated project, it may become cumbersome to browse through all of the value and you may want more visual representations. You can click the Apply State button to impose the game state from the current tick, or check the Apply Automatically field to always see the state from the tick you are on. If you feel the need to come back to your recording at a later time, you can use the button in the middle to save the recorded data, and then the button on the right to load it into the tool. That's it for today, but we encourage you to visit our website at elympics.cc and to join our community Discord for more hands-on support. If you're new to Elympics or simply feel like you could freshen up on your knowledge, check out our Olympics Basics playlist that will help you get a head start in the multiplayer game development. All of the links can be found in the description below. Have a great day and thanks for watching!